guys, this Diwali let your skin shine as bright as the festivities. Introducing the Glamveda Rice and Ceramide 4-step skincare routine. Step 1. Begin the celebration with purity. Wash away impurities with Glamveda Rice and Ceramide Face Wash, which gives you a brighter, more even skin tone, reduce dark spot and pigmentation. Step 2. Elevate your skin with the Glamveda Rice and Ceramide Serum. This serum hydrates, ensuring your skin looks its best during Diwali. Step 3. Experience luxury with the Glamveda Rice and Ceramide Moisturizer. It locks in moisture, leaving your skin soft and supple, perfect for the festivities. Step 4. Protect your skin's radiance. Apply Glamveda Rice and Ceramide Sunscreen to keep your skin safe from Diwali's dazzling lights. Celebrate with confidence and embrace the radiance of Glamveda Rice and Ceramide, your 4-step skincare routine for a stunning Diwali. So what are you guys waiting for? Light up your shopping cart with Glamveda and enjoy amazing discounts in our store this Diwali. Bye-bye.